think last week I was not here, and there was a question posed to one of the ministers pertaining to the entry to St. Maarten. Well, today is November 2nd, and as stated, as of November 1st, you are free to travel to St. Maarten as regular. There's no more filling out of EHAS. There's no more testing required. There's no more vaccination status required. We are completely open. I know before we spoke about gathering information for touristic purposes and marketing purposes. We have agreed with all stakeholders in a meeting with SHTA that we would allow this period for us to work together to collectively make a proper ED card, which is used in Curacao, Aruba, and other places. So we're going to do it collectively together and institute this hopefully by March, where it can be not cumbersome, very easy, and persons will know that the information is specifically used for data analysis. So with that being said, St. Maarten is open. You can fly to us as you want, as you feel, when you feel, and we welcome each and every one to the sound of my voice to come to St. Maarten. We are expecting an amazing season. There's a meeting held on Friday with tourist stakeholders, with the Ministry of Justice to ensure safety for the amount of visitors that is expected on our shores. So I thank you very much, Malika.